Touch this. I think it's a bookmark. Touch it.
Who knows? It's some recycled bullshit.
Smell it. No, also China doesn't bat for anybody else. All said and done.
Yeah, they're not.
They remind me of some Indian politicians. They don't actually bat for. By the way, our guys immediately said, "Ki guys, let's have dialogue." Nobody else. Either they condemned it or they kept quiet. We are the only people who took both sides. And that is the Nehruvian politics I love. That whatever happens, Ukraine, Russia, Gaza, Israel, Venezuela, US, I'm everybody's friend.
This guy's son was once captured.
Who now are we talking about?
The minister, the Ghanta
Let's
minister.
call him Ghanta.
Yeah, Ghanta.
So that we don't make a mistake. Ghanta का क्या हो, बेटा का क्या हो?
घंटा का छोटा घंटा जो था. तो
Oh, I've just been told it's no longer AMAs, it's cock and bull from now on.
what a huge change.
Look at the introduction. The
Everything
beginning of-
changes now.
I know.
I had come prepared for.
Lashkari Taiba has been doing it for years. Yeah. You just go rebrand and come back. Boss, इसमें क्या है? With or without sponsor, change the name. Simple.
So we are cock and bull again.
We are cock and bull again. They thought of other names, but the names they came up with were like Tejas.
But this more Bharatiya name, no?
Which one? This?
No, Tejas.
That it's got a ring to it. It also sounds like cock and bull.
Tejas like that one aircraft that fell recently.
Yeah, I think that was it.
Achha. But it did, no? It did.
Yeah. I mean, it's a thing that can't go anywhere. That's the metaphor.
Yeah.
Can you show a picture of him quickly so people know who we're talking about?
Tejas. Yeah.
Tejas.
Tejas, our office boy. Yeah.
Hey, there's dignity in labor. Office boy में क्या करा भी है? Why should
I
people
didn't
feel
say
bad?
nothing. I just.
Whoever you are, whether you are working in McDonald's or whether you're a head of some, you're Jardine Fleming, finance, whatever, it makes no difference.
Yeah.
You're ultimately a truth.
Yeah, and also caste system कहाँ होता है इंडिया में? All.
Caste system, we don't have. We abolished it, boss.
Yeah, long
2013 end. Just before 14 elections for safety.
So you're talking about pre-independence.
Other independence. But I've got you something because he brings me these protein shakes and all that. He brings me all these lovely supplements free, which is very strange being a Sindhi. But I thought I had to give something back. And with this lovely author, Tejaswini Apte was on, and with a book. Her book, of course, is another book. But this is one of her older books. It's called The Poop Book. So I thought you may like this.
Okay, I mean it's just about lunchtime right now, so.
Well, the way I look at it is, you keep giving me things which go in and something has to come out because of science, right? You can't just one way.
Okay. It's a
So
circle of
इसलिए,
life.
हाँ, आगे भी है और पीछे भी है.
Is this for kids or for
No.
old people?
This is a wrong thing. It should be for kids. Why should it be for kids? As you age, we have the same problems again.
No, so something old people and kids. There are two people who are interested
So,
in
but in a
poop.
sense, the circle again. Some of what you said or he
Yeah.
said, circle is complete now because you start here and you end here.
Yeah.
So it is like if this is your childhood, and then this is old age.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing. It
Yeah,
comes together.
almost, yeah. Just
And who
that-
cares about middle years anyway?
In old age, you have Aadhaar card. That's the only difference.
No, it's gone.
Gone.
Aadhaar card 2026 is gone now. You know it has no value. They've admitted you can't show it anywhere.
No, but Oyo rooms you can still show.
Oyo room से ठीक है वो 2 घंटे के लिए है ना काम ज़्यादा काम नहीं है उधर. Come on, be honest. Okay, now touch this. I think it's a bookmark. Touch it.
Who
Touch
knows? It's some recycled bullshit.
Smell it. Mama, I'm not kidding. Smell. Please, Puneet. Please. अच्छा, now just read. पीछे जो है ना, just read it loud.
Why did I smell it? There's nothing there.
There's nothing there. So read it.
This little bookmark is a gift. Okay.
Huh?
Can you guess what it's made of?
Yeah.
Poop.
Yeah.
Elephant poop and rhinoceros poop mixed with banana fiber. इतना मेहनत क्यों किया उसने लेकिन?
Science, बेटा. Science भी एक चीज है. हाँ.
Just the carbon footprint on this poop, dude.
Wait, there's more.
Okay, there's more. There's banana fiber, there's jute and cotton rags.
Yeah.
And water hyacinth stalks.
Yeah, there's something a plant in the pool kind of thing in the water. Don't ask me what it is. So it's a lot of stuff that came together to produce this. So it's basically poop based. This bookmark is poop.
But wouldn't it be easier to just not read the book then?
No, it's you don't understand. You go once you finish with your poop, you have something to wipe.
Okay. But the episode is not out yet, so we should cut this out maybe.
No, don't worry.
But what is it about?
We'll keep it here throughout. We are proud. It's a lovely
Throughout?
book. It's a very talented author.
My God.
Writes about all kinds of things.
Where
She's
do
made
you
cool,
find
man.
these people, dude?
I don't know, but I'm very impressed.
Must be your Rotary Club only.
No, I'm not in the Rotary Club anymore. No. There's no parking. No point going here. I'm not attending these things.
Fair,
yeah.
fair,
Chakkar
fair
मार के
reason.
मर के लग जाता है. Yeah. So, Puneet, tell us about your year before we get into the AM. Not AMAs. Cock and bull.
Yeah. First of all, this is Catholic New Year, so we don't celebrate.
Catholic or Christian in general. But now you're going to start a war between Protestants. Protestants and Catholics.
But that does sound like a good movie script.
I think
on Netflix.
I should back off and talk
Yeah.
cricket. Safer.
This summer.
Coming soon. So, 2026, did you do anything special in turn of the year? 31st?
I fucked off to Gokarna for 3 days. It was nice.
Alone?
Yeah.
What do you do alone?
Huh? You chill, you go to the beach, you write a blog.
You write a blog.
I write
You
a
sound like a lonely old man in his 70s.
blog. I'm almost there.
Yeah,
I'm
true.
40. So.
So what's the blog about?
About the trip.
What's the trip about? Trip में हुआ क्या?
I went to there are several beaches there. I went and I chilled. And also I stayed in a hostel, which was weird.
You stayed in a hostel.
Yeah, because there are very few properties available online because no, it's New Year's is rushed and they don't list no because they know कि some chut will come.
There's a canteen in the hostel. How do you eat in?
Yeah, hostel yani not your engineering college hostel, not XIC.
Okay.
Yeah.
One of those old hostels where people would come and stay.
How to okay backpackers hostel.
Backpacker hostel. ये क्या होता है बेटा? Bunker beds.
Yeah, you don't know about this. I mean,
You mean there are people who have to suffer bunker beds?
how South Mumbai are you?
Baba, you're in your 40s.
Yeah, I'm too old for
Can you
this.
climb up the bunker? Because I remember in Big Boss, when my greatest moment.
I do prefer the one down, but
When you climb up, first it's tough. When you climb down as you age, it's impossible, boss.
also you have to pee in the middle of the night.
Yeah!
You can fall also.
Absolutely the problem. Never choose that as you age. It's the worst seat in the house. Where were you?
So hostel is a pop. Hey, why say any brand's name? They're not paid as fuck them. So one hostel.
But what is the brand?
It's called Zostel. It's the oldest and the
Zostel. I'm
Yeah.
not taking that name. Bro, I'm not doing it.
It's the oldest and the biggest chain.
How do you know it's the biggest chain? I've never heard of it.
But you live in a different world, no? This is parallel universe. No, this is 3 Indias. No,
True.
it's like Kanduli, Bandra, and then
No, 2 are bunk beds.
Yeah.
Ek was side mein sofa.
no 2 is like ऐसा total. There are 6 in the room.
6 in the room.
Yeah, and sometimes the cheaper
You
one.
paid for this.
One.
No, but to have 5 strangers sleep with him on 31st night. I mean, the word chutia comes to mind immediately again. I mean, I don't know how to say it nicely.
And of course, in India, no, you have segregation. Abroad, you have mixed dorms also. There are women also in the dorm.
At least there's something there, no? I mean, that makes a little, for a frustrated Indian male, I can understand that one.
Hey.
No, they're having a separate podcast while I'm talking. He's not even in the frame. Two backpackers are saying, मैं भी गरीब हूँ, मैं भी गरीब हूँ, मैं भी चूते हूँ, मैं भी चूते हूँ, मैं भी जाता वहाँ पे, मैं भी जाता वहाँ पे. And then suddenly the foreign thing, he's like, boss, foreign माल. तू बांग्लादेश गया एक बार लाइफ में, foreign माल की बातचीत बनकर.
Hey, Bangladesh, you can't
No,
say
no,
that.
Bangladesh.
Yeah,
No.
yeah,
Bangladesh is off the record. Off the
Yes,
record.
yeah.
Oh, you must tell me in time, yeah. Yeah. That's hilarious. Not hilarious. But
Yeah, it was hilarious because there's New Year's, so they're going to party outside, all young people, right?
yeah.
And I'm inside, I'm having my electoral.
why did you go?
Because I was in Goa for my last show on 28th of December, right? So if I come till Goa, I'm not going to come back to fucking Kandivali
That
for
doesn't
New
make
Year's.
sense.
Yeah.
What? It's a party atmosphere and you don't want to party. Why are you there?
Because the place is a very small town. There are limited properties, and I wanted to be close to the beach.
You wanted solitude.
Yeah.
And on 31st, you choose a property with 200 people
But
and bunk beds.
But 31st, you won't find peace anywhere, no?
Brocha ghar. My wife, 8:40 asleep. Me, 8:41. Separate beds, bunkers, whatever.
For that, you have to migrate
आज
200
मैं
years
ऊपर
before.
आसमान नीचे one of those.
But to get there, you have to migrate to Mumbai 200 years prior, like you guys did.
True,
yeah,
true,
we are still.
We live in our caves, yes.
Yeah.
It's a totally different world, yeah. We are that, that uncle that gets angry with the noise and all. We are that now. We are that
Yeah,
family.
I'm that
Yeah.
guy.
The moment they're celebrating, people are going, yeah. And we're like, oh, bang, shut up. We're that. It's horrible.
In fact, this year I called the cops on the Visajan also.
So,
Yeah, it was 2 in the night, dude. For the first time,
He called the cops in LA. He would never do it in Bombay. It never happened in Mumbai. Amchi Mumbai can't do that. Yeah.
I did it.
But did they come?
It worked like this.
They also are tired, yeah. Huh.
No, I mean, it's way
What
past.
did it work like this? They can't stop a Visarjan just because you said
Not
something.
Visarjan, but they're like having a fucking full DJ at 2 in the night.
That electronic techno
Yeah.
DJ that they're trying to destroy Ganpati here.
Yeah,
That's
and melt your brain cells
Yeah.
at 2 in the night.
Unbelievable.
So first I called them, I asked them, भाई कब तक का है permission? तो she said 12 o'clock. I said, अभी कितना बजा है? तो बोलती
Oh, you
है,
spoke down like that?
No, I mean, if speaking
अबे
Marathi,
टाइम क्या है?
ऐसा नहीं. If speaking Marathi, it helps, no?
हाँ.
So and so they have the patrol cars. They know who is over the deadline.
But they actually took action?
Yeah,
That's damn good.
within a few minutes.
So they shut the baja basically?
Yeah.
Or they toned it down at least?
Shut.
Shut it?
Yeah.
You destroy the fun of some poor people. That's all they
और
had.
कितना फन करेगा भैया 1:30 बजे रात को सो
3
जाओगे
बजे तक दे दो.
हाँ?
Have a heart यार.
3 बजे तक.
You're in a bunk bed with 6 strangers. Those guys, this is their fun evening, man. Come on. Not fair.
And I slept exactly at midnight as they were counting down outside.
Yeah.
So I
10, 9, 8.
so they are having like I can see the young people.
Tell me how educated people, some come from Harvard and Stanford and IIT and all that, they all gather at a party like this and they are so happy about reaching from 10 to 1.
Yeah.
It's just the glee in their face. I've never understood that. It's just, it makes no sense.
It's tribal dance.
It's like India won the World Cup.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yeah! I mean, like, why?
Yeah.
It's no sense.
Yeah, and then acidity after that.
What acidity?
Next day.
Vomit?
Yeah,
Straight away.
yeah.
That's the next book, by the way. After the book. We've spoken to her. She's working.
Level liquid bookmark.
Yeah. No, but see, once you mix it up with some other ingredients and you harden it, then it doesn't. I mean, it's like dung.
Yeah.
Dung, basically.
Dung is
if I don't
holy.
tell you what it is.
Yeah. But dung is holy in India, so that's okay.
Okay, go ahead. Have the floor is yours. Tell us about dung being holy in India. Tera vakil aur mera vakil alag hai. I'm telling you right now. I'm not sharing a fucking vakil with you.
But this is what they like. No.
Who's they?
This,
Oh, you come and take panga with everyone. I'm a vegetarian guy who sits here and talks nicely to people.
there is almost everybody outside your contact list at this point. In fact, they eat it also. Have you seen that they eat it?
Who is dung?
There are videos.
Human beings.
Yeah. एक आदमी चपाटी के साथ खा रहा है.
Sir, can you tell me a sad story here? That on 31st night, while 10987 is going in the background, you open your phone and you were watching a guy eating dung. I mean, is that the story? Because that's the story.
No, so to be
look at her face.
There
We have
was
a new young girl who's joined us. Look at her face.
no. Are you on parole so far? No, sorry, what is that called?
Parole.
No.
मेरे से पूछो.
No, when you join the company, what is it called?
Probation.
Parole. No,
but he's in the right. It's in the right geography.
Yeah,
Yaar. You're
sorry.
not bad. Not
You're
bad.
not joined yet, right?
bad.
Okay.
She's
so
joined.
Too late now.
Akanksha, na?
You have a
She's
iCard.
joined.
You have a iCard on this.
So icon, and she was in Fever, which is the Birla owned property, Hindustan Times, and she left Fever for IVM.
FM, no.
Yeah, but IVM, who's the owner?
Another good juice, so that's okay.
No, he's not. He's not. He's not. He's gone down south, bro.
But compared to radio, this will be quieter, no? Here.
You think so, Akanksha?
No. Acha.
Radio, they lock them in cabins. Yeah, they don't bother
अच्छा
each
ये
other.
साउंड प्रूफ है अंदर जो करने का करो
Exactly, and small cabins. छोटा छोटा है ना? Not like this.
It's
Look at
getting-
this. Look at the money we have in podcasting here. Plant है पीछे, TV screen. What radio में कुछ नहीं. One mic shared by 3-4 guests.
so just before midnight no, the boys are coming in to
Which boys?
at the hostel and having their seconds and the
And where were you?
I'm in the room
In the bunk bed.
yeah
And the boys come in to party
to
and
get
pour
a
the
refill
drinks.
for the
Pour
drinks, no because it's a hostel you can have your own drinks
And so what did you do?
whey protein then I plugged in my earphones and I played those waves ka sound to sleep
Ah,
yeah
Does it help?
right it helps but the funny part is there's real waves ka sound just outside but because of the DJ you can't hear it so
oh, you
now
mean
I have
the
to
actual Darya?
yeah you
It's
could
right
write
outside.
yeah that's
the
great
fucking DJ has covered it with
Yeah,
this stupid
yeah,
EDM.
yeah. And
Nonsense.
the-
EDM, no? EDM.
And the-
EVM तो वो machines है. दोनों नहीं चलते मेरे लिए. Doesn't matter.
they both play,
EVM, EDM,
they
EVM.
both have the same tune
Both
anyway
the same, yeah. Malfunction.
and they're young people most of them but
So nobody said, Chacha, come party with us?
they knew from they knew from our demeanor yeah I'm chacha they're
It's
practically
okay. I'm saying in that mood, think of when you're young, you always invite whoever's there. Everyone's in a good mood, except that one guy who's not in a good mood.
so
you'll
no
say,
so they did talk to me once
Huh.
they wanted my band to enter the party because everybody gets a band. No, I'm staying there. So
Acha, you wasted the band.
yeah. I mean, I gave it to somebody. Some young kid.
So what did he
I
say?
got to party. He said thank you next day.
If you don't use the band, they call you a banchut.
Yeah.
Sorry, not nice, not nice. Bad.
But there was one other.
Did you pay? Did you charge them?
What for the band?
See, this is what I don't understand. There's no Sindhi left in this man. He has no enterprising spirit whatsoever. You have one moment to make money on 31st and you could charge anything because you're desperate for that band.
I went to
Market demand.
I went to Xavier's. I did an MBA. I can't be Sindhi anymore.
MBA and then you became a comedian. Now, which Sindhi family will say, Mera beta?
So there was one more hostel there, but they had an upper age limit also.
Means?
35 ke upar nahi aane ka uncle
my
log,
God.
which I appreciate.
It sounds like roadies.
Yeah. It is
roadies,
roadies.
roadies. Uncle, aapne.
It is roadies.
So then?
So then that's the only option left.
So what did you actually sat alone in the room?
Yeah.
But what are girls and all? You don't ever feel like having some female company and meeting a girl or
They're all quite okay only
entire world of girls.
in that hostel.
In the hostel, there was no girls.
Uh-huh.
There were girls.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's hostel.
So you didn't want to go and say hello. I mean, you're a single man. It's 31st night.
No.
You're a frustrated Indian male. Nahin?
No, dude, people can't.
Protein shake kafi hai.
Yeah. Dude, I can't hold one more dumb conversation now. I'm too old for this shit.
I mean, this is like sexist, boss. Akash should say something. The way he's talking, like every woman, I can't have a conversation because there's no intellectual property in that side, coming from that side.
But in that age group, especially,
What is the age group?
below 30.
So you're the wide parameter, hai na?
Yeah,
18 to 30
yeah,
or whatever. I
It's
mean,
still
not
legal,
exactly-
but it's just boring.
But I'm not. You're not having coitus. I'm saying you have some. Just be in the company of women.
I had gone there for solitude. So I'm not gonna.
Why would you go to a hostel for solitude?
अरे
बेटा ये दोस्त है जरा गूगल करके मेरे को दिखाओ कि कौन सा था solitude के लिए बच्चों.
अरे
In the old days, they would go to the mountain and what the fuck?
अरे you sleep for 8 hours and then you're out on the beach all day.
Bro, you're a real paradox. So then you just was frustrated and you fell asleep.
No, yeah, 2 hours well sleep.
They came and woke you up later.
Nah. Dude, like my posture, my body language, it's not approachable, I guess.
Yeah. All the guys are going like this, like this.
Yeah, and I'm just fucking like having my
protein
shake.
shake
Yeah.
with the straw.
Yeah. So I was out all day mostly, beaches, and there's a little bit of a trek there to be done. One
But
restaurant.
are you, Puneet, I didn't know this. Are you a loner?
I'm okay.
No, nothing wrong in being a loner. I'm saying, are you a guy who likes to be alone or not?
Yeah, I like to be alone.
Yeah.
But I'm not a loner. If there are people around, I'll get material from them.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
Yeah. But on a social night like 31st,
Yeah.
the fact that you went out but didn't want company, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like we also didn't go out. A lot of
Yeah.
people don't go out, but that's fine. But
So
if I
it-
went out, why would I go out and not want company? It would make no
see,
sense to me.
if I had my friends,
Who are your friends?
other comics, childhood friends.
These
Yeah.
are famous people.
Yeah, I mean, all the comics, no, you know all of them.
Okay. So you want to be with those guys.
If they were there,
Where were they?
they were doing shows somewhere, no? Mostly.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
31st, people come, no? But
Right.
the wrong kind
When
of
I
people.
was younger, they used to charge 4 times the rate.
Yeah.
Whatever your rate is, 4 times
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
So I used to get $200.
So,
No GST, so it was easy to do
31st,
that.
no, mostly I do shows. In
Why did
Mumbai.
you do a show?
I wanted to see Gokarna. It was on my list, and I was already at Goa. It's 3 hours away.
Right.
So Azim was there. He drove me to Gokarna. It was nice
Why didn't Azim stay?
because he's married.
Wow. Panatwala, no?
Yeah. In fact, his wife.
He lives in Goa, right?
Yeah.
So he drove you there and
He drove back. Yeah.
he didn't say, come and stay with us 31st night.
He did offer ki stay back in Panjim.
You'll be a kebab mein hadi because his wife and him and you're just...
Yeah. Plus Gokarna is something new. No, Goa kitni baar jayega?
What is so great about this place?
It's nice beaches.
But he's alone. Might as well watch a documentary. I don't understand. You just looked at the beaches, you looked at the
Yeah.
hostel, you sat on the bed and you drank protein shake.
Yeah.
You're telling me you had a great colorful New Year.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I
how
didn't
to
say colorful.
mention-
Okay.
I feel that therapy is the only way out of this. And it's not cheap. A friend of mine is in therapy. It's 7,000 rupees every time he talks to this lady. And he comes back and tells me, whatever she tells me, I could have told myself. So I would warn you about therapy, bro.
Yeah. But you did go?
Therapy?
Yeah.
I haven't gone. Kunal went. Once.
Really?
Yeah.
Once.
Yeah, but he fell asleep. Because one thing, if they talk slowly and you have ADHD and all that, they talk slowly and they don't finish the sentence fast and all that. After some time, you get bored, right? Because you're like, so, but why are you feeling this? How? Why? And after some time, it's just like,
It's
stuck,
hypno-
asleep. So therapy is it's an art form. Everyone can't be a therapist. You have to be exciting to be a therapist. I would feel you should shout a little.
I think you can never do meditation, no, yourself.
I can't.
You'll go crazy.
I got thrown out of Art of Living class, where everybody was talking about Shanti Om and all that. Like peace, love, and all
You
that.
went for art of living.
Yeah, so the lady, she was a famous model. I can't remember her name. So no, we did classes in MTV. They wanted us to bond more and all. So 8 in the morning they called us every Friday.
It was their corporate show.
Corporate show. But everybody was taking it seriously. But, 8 in the morning to stretch and turn around and to look at the person next to you and say, I love you. And
ये सब था उसमें.
also Gandhi, the accountant.
This is before Posh, obviously.
I don't know. No, I didn't get females next to me. Okay. My story is like yours. Middle-aged Gujarati man called Mr. Gandhi. Lovely guy. But very, Aisa, the nasal way of talking. But nice guy. Turn around and say, I love you. I looked at him and all the, the thing on his teeth. All that...
Plaque.
Tambaku ka... No, that brown stain, yeah. It was this close and I just couldn't say I love you. I was like, bro, we got to talk. We can take this further, but it's going to take time.
Did they teach you to bend spoons and shit? They do that?
No. But there was a lot of this arching movement and what is that thing? Kriya and all that.
Yeah.
For which you have to keep quiet. You tell me how is it possible? Impossible. So finally she said, if you can't keep quiet, please leave. Everybody turned and looked at me. I got the message.
Was Sri there? No, he was too big that time also.
I didn't graduate from the lowest class teacher to Sri was the highest class teacher. I was thrown out of the lowest class.
So they're doing classes for kids where the kids can bend spoons and like the Matrix.
I heard they're doing classes in Gurgaon for men called Art of Loving, because just the etiquette of loving, that you actually have to let the woman say yes and
Really?
Yeah. You didn't know? If you don't say hear yes, you should not do anything. Bro, ye bunker kaam band kar bhai. The way you perform.
And so do they pat them down before they come in for the course?
That's foreplay, na? For us Indian men.
Art of Living in Gurgaon is so funny.
Yeah. So what do you think of Art of Loving? Art of Loving will sell well also, no?
Art of Loving.
I should copyright that.
Yeah.
The Art of Loving. And this is the voice. Yeah. The Art of Loving. Coming soon. Yeah. No pun intended.
Yeah.
Nice.
Love Guru, yeah.
Love Guru. Coming soon. Hey, Abhi, you'll buy my records? Oh, yeah, you got that dirty feeling in your head now? The Art of Loving!
What?
Hey, listen, she's trying to do this. Chalo, let's see what she's got. Supreme Court denies bail petition of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam. And by the way, didn't Mamdani mention him?
Yeah, just 2 days before.
Yeah. Didn't he?
Yeah.
Like he read a letter out or
He wrote a letter to him saying
which he wrote.
No, Mamdani wrote to
him. Yeah.
Saying we are thinking of you.
Yeah.
A lot of people who believe in you, all of that.
And then I think Donald Trump wrote a letter to Nicolo Maduro, whatever his name is.
Yeah.
Nicola Maduro? Yeah.
Yeah, he said, I missed you too much.
Yeah. Come stay with me.
Yeah. I'm sending me a valet to get you.
Come to my hostel. You have the lower bunker.
So, and usually what the response is from Indians is that, why is Mamdani interfering in our internal matter?
Yeah.
It's the first thing that the wife beater says when the neighbor intervenes. So,
you look at it this way. He's left of center, Umar Khalid is left of center, and left of center across the world are sort of friendly.
Yes.
And you're left of center. You used to be.
I'm not sure anymore.
Yeah, now you switched. You switched. Because you couldn't get a sponsor. In India, in this market, it's very tough to be left of center. So, guys, Puneet has come to the center. He's not going right yet, but he's come to the center. Center mein kuch milega ya nahi?
I'm Kandivali East, by the way. So that's
so in a sense, you're still left.
But it's not expected. They're not going to let him go.
Yeah.
This has become like it's like a prestige issue now. That we don't want to let him go. 5 years, no trial.
So, but if you're guilty of sedition, can be just through oral, verbal guilt?
Yeah.
Or does it have to be acts of sedition?
No, even just a hint of something.
So supposing you say India is playing Australia in a match and you say, come on, Australia. In a sense, that's
it could be. If not now, maybe next year. It's getting worse by the year.
Okay.
So
coming soon, 2027. Don't support Australia.
I think in his case and in Sajril's case, there are videos of them talking about Northeast and Kashmir.
Yeah, wherever they're insurgency. But didn't they attend a wedding or something also? In the middle, they got a furlough for going to a wedding? Umar's sister's wedding.
Yeah, he was out for a few days for his own
This system, does this happen anywhere else in the world? Because Manu Sharma, who shot Jessica in that horrible 20 years ago story, he was out in furlough a lot.
Like Ram Rahim, no?
Ram Rahim furlough?
15th.
15th furlough?
Yeah.
And to Karan kya hai bhai? Every time, once it can be Nani is dying and all, I get it. But 15th time, what is the...
He comes out for elections. No?
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's a proper bahana.
No, I mean this.
I mean, like a legal bahana.
No, they can't say election ke liye aa raha hai, but you know that's what it is.
Wow, that's fantastic.
15. I think now they should report when he's back in. Like this is the opposite. Rather than reporting that he's out, report that he's back
So
in.
how many days you spend in and out is almost 50-50.
50-50 almost.
Yeah. So that's not... I mean, having...
And he's convicted, rapist
Proper
and
conviction,
murder.
yeah.
Yeah. No escaping this.
Wow. What a fair system it is to,
It
I
is,
mean, everyone.
Yeah, equal opportunity.
Yeah. I mean,
And
God,
also the thing is the education levels are very low in the jails, so they're trying to rectify that by putting PhDs and scientists in jails. So,
Correct.
that's
So
the-
they spread the word of knowledge.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
in the meantime, let the real hardened criminals
Come
more,
out, yeah.
Because they are bad thing for the jail atmosphere.
Yeah, so they balance things out a bit.
Puneet, I like your way of thinking. It's fantastic. It's very good. So scientists lock them up, and criminal artists give them more time out into the general world.
Even the Unnao rape case.
Oh, that guy got... but no, they put him back in.
No, he never came out because there was another case.
The
for
second
which-
case held him back,
Yeah.
but now they've recalled that
Yeah.
judgment.
Only after a lot of outrage.
Yeah. But at least that works now. Outrage works.
Yeah, still
That's
little-
a sign of democracy. I am a positive person, you're a negative person. That's it. We are fighting the case for the dogs also. We don't want them to be relocated in
Yeah.
the shelters that are never going to
Yeah.
be built.
Yeah.
So we are positive about it.
Yeah.
That at some point, the voice will be heard.
Yeah, and then the Delhi verdict did get
Yeah,
not overturned,
original
but in a
verdict, yeah.
So it works.
Well, it got softened. This is all compromises the way of life in democracy, Baba. That's how you have to manage.
Yeah, so
That's-
Aravalli Mountains, same thing.
Yeah.
No, okay, you take out half of them at least. Leave half.
The compromise also has to have a mathematical line to it. We have to
yeah.
figure out what that is.
Yeah.
We don't know yet, so we'll come back with it later.
But all the dog lovers, will they ever also fight the same way about democracy in general?
It's one and the same thing, no? Because
Same
you're fighting for the lowest person in your society. That's what democracy means. In my case, it's bachelors, but in most cases, it's animals, plants, that kind of thing.
The plants
Yeah.
also.
But
Okay.
what is your feeling about democracy before we go to the next question? Because she's making faces that you were talking too much and no questions will be answered. But it's not AMA. It's cock and bull. You feel democracy is in trouble? All over the world, not just India. I mean, the other day, Venezuela, this
Do
gentleman...
we need to ask also at this point?
Right.
70 candidates have won unopposed
Yeah.
in Maharashtra civic polls. Almost 70.
Yeah.
No opposition.
So why do you think there's no opposition as in...
Because they bought out and they scared the rest. It's so clear.
So isn't that democracy? You're allowed to use whatever means you are to convince the other party not to
ऐसा नहीं
participate.
होता है.
वो तो democracy नहीं होता. Building elections में होता है. Sharma ji, you can't talk.
Yeah, there is
If you
building-
talk, I'll puncture your tire. Bas, and immediately you get the right reaction.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah. That's democracy,
Yeah,
Baba. Freedom of expression. And if my expression is stronger
Yeah,
or
that's
more
what
money.
it is. In one constituency, one of the candidates ate the candidate's form.
See, violence, okay, I agree with you. They shouldn't be allowed to force you out of fear. But if I take a bribe, honestly, how's it wrong? If I tell you, Puneet, don't stand for election, I'll give you 5 lakhs. You say, okay, ठीक है. What's wrong? It's entrepreneurship, bro. I'm using the gift of finance. I don't see, if I scare you and say, I'll kill you and all that, and you don't want to, and children and this and that, understand. That's wrong. That's being a bully. But yeah, I'm offering you money. You can say no.
But the same
You
kid,
can say no now. Why can't you say no? If you believe in whatever.
You can't say
You
no.
decide not to say no, then whose fault is it?
you can't say no because in the offer you can't refuse. It's not a simple take. It's not an Amazon gift card
Okay, so
of 5 lakhs.
with the 5 lakhs, it's there's a gun inside.
Yeah,
Okay.
take it or then do it the hard way.
Okay. And then they spend 1 lakh on your funeral.
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah.
And save 4 lakhs. Democracy at work.
This model is unsustainable. No, do you see the pollution in Mumbai? It is corruption.
How
no?
will we see the pollution? There's
You
nothing- we
can
can't see anything.
from Alibag. You can see it. At
Okay,
least that you
Alibag.
can do it. No,
The other day at 7:30 in the morning, I couldn't see in front of the car
and
on Marine Drive.
that's all going inside.
No, there's a fat lady.
And you're working out in this AQI.
I've given up. See, my lungs are immune now to everything. No?
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
कोविड में मैं कभी वो पहना नहीं ना that mask.
So you're immune now.
I refuse to wear it. I'm not a bandit. I'm not a highwayman. I'm not robbing a bank. Walking around with a mask, an idiot. PhDs would do that. What kind of fools do that? See, Vikram Seth, one great literary figure walking with a mask. What the fuck? Bro, that's the end of democracy for me. Really. Don't wear those stupid masks. They mean nothing. You still get it. One way or the other. There are many holes in the body. You can get it from anywhere.
That was Corona. That's different.
Oh. COVID only attacks the mouth.
Yeah.
Bro, you know so much. Zostels. Next. Oh, we've got more headlines. Headlines, Baba. Not EMAs.
Yeah.
Headlines, because Show is called Cock and Bull.
Yeah, fuck those listeners.
Yeah. Who needs your name attached to it?
Yeah.
Who the hell are you? Yeah. The US attacked, I don't know if attacked Venezuela is the right word.
Yeah.
They basically just came, kidnapped him and, did a little bit of damage.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a proper full
It was like a Gurgaon boyfriend.
Yeah. It was like they come to the shadi and they beat up the family and they walk off.
Yeah.
And take the bride
yeah,
back.
He came in a Thar and put him inside.
Yeah. True. But I don't know why he took the wife. What is the wife's... What does it need to take the wife along?
They're saying she's a power broker or something. She holds some sway politically.
No, being the wife of the president, but I mean, honestly, is there a need to take her in?
Or maybe they were thought that she would.
I think Donald Trump is thinking if anyone kidnaps me, I want to take my wife also. So he's thinking of quid pro quo.
But his wife barely talks to him.
They don't talk.
Yeah.
So this is get rid of her once and for all, na? So wink, मेरे को kidnap कर, उसको भी लेना, हो गया, and then wink, मेरे को वापस डाल दो, and you know what to do with it. Somewhere in Fiji Island, this poor woman is standing with a
Maybe he
Chanel
thought
bag.
that she was popular and she could take over once the guy left. ये भी हो सकता है.
But after spending 10 minutes with him, she obviously has changed her mind. Quickly, let's talk about what happened. So basically, here's the funny part. So the drug issue, immigration issue, lawlessness in his society. Well, how can you invade the country?
Yeah. You can if you...
I mean, if that's the reason...
It's what you say, it's democracy. You said
we
you
still
have
haven't
power,
invaded-
you can do it.
India hasn't invaded Pakistan or China. And I think we have far more issues with them
Yeah.
than he has with Venezuela.
I don't think it's out of our greatness.
No, IPL ko kya hoga na? Already now,
there are
I'm worried
consequences.
about T20.
US has no consequences.
Yeah.
That's why...
But do you realize US has actually attacked more people than anybody else? You look around the world and look at maps. In the last few years, they've done all the attacking. And Mr. Putin is actually looking better.
Yeah.
He's got one or two little riffraff here and
Yes,
there.
yes.
But look at this is non-stop across the
And
globe.
China couldn't do nothing about this.
The Chinese envoys were there when he was being picked
Yeah,
up. This
yeah.
is a true story.
Yeah.
The internet, I don't know what's true or not.
But the thing is that China has all the military and all that power, but they have no experience.
So also, China doesn't bat for anybody else, all said and done.
Yeah, they're not...
They remind me of some Indian politicians. They don't actually bat for... By the way, our guys immediately said, ki, guys, let's have dialogue. Nobody else, either they condemned it or they kept quiet. We are the only people who took both sides. And that is the Nehruvian politics I love. That whatever happens, Ukraine, Russia, Gaza, Israel, Venezuela, US, I'm everybody's friend.
Yeah.
Boss, democracy and diplomacy at its
But
best.
then when we wanted friends in the war, nobody came.
No, what war? You're talking about that skirmish.
Skirmish. Operation.
Operation. Which both sides claimed victory.
Yeah.
And both sides, imagine it was a cricket match, both are saying 5-0, 5-0.
Yeah.
It's just like, how can both sides have the same scoreline? I mean, it's just not possible.
And also, it was like, I don't know, a war. Like, there were two people with joysticks. They were like playing a video game.
Although in those areas, I have a friend who lives in the Kashmir area and said it was scary for
It is
few days.
scary. Of course, it is scary.
It was almost like EVM, in that kind of sound.
EVM.
EDM. For me, rap and house music, whatever, was bad enough. So by the time EDM and PPM came and Nikhil Chidappa destroyed young people's feelings with the kind of music that he made us listen to. I mean, I told him nicely, I said, bro, please, not me.
Yeah, you made apps, isn't it enough?
I can't bear those. Yeah, exactly. I know, and also I think it's more like the music stopped becoming music and it was basically like, like machine valves.
It's noise, yeah.
When they burst or something and that sound just continued. I just didn't understand it, how it changed. Acha, we have a walkout. Ja. इसमें क्या है? कुछ शो खास शो तो नहीं है. We took a break.
There are no questions also. No AMA.
We don't take a break. We'll take a break. He went to pee. Okay. Cameraman walked out, so it doesn't look good to carry on.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine if it's your Suhag Raat, your wife walks out. Sorry.
I thought it was Shuagra and the camera guy walks out. It does happen.
I think it should. If
it
doesn't, it should. You can write it a lot of people on Insta. Insta moment.
It's part of the wedding package.
We'll take a break. We'll come back in 1 second.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
We are back. Tayyaballi pyar ka dushman, hi. Bro, what were you saying?
One of my batchmates in MBA, he put out pics from like after his wedding when they got on a honeymoon. There are pics of like him and the wife under the sheets and like like their legs out of the sheets. And like cute.
Bro, what is wrong with us, man? And still, and if you could see his face in the picture, it would be still he would be smiling at camera. Even in the sexual act, he'll be showing himself more than the wife.
Yeah, it was like
not realizing
like placement for him all over again after him.
Apna Raju. Wherever you go, Apna Raju appears. Yeah.
So people are now they are praising Kim Jong-un because at least he can't abduct him.
Haan, so I get your point. So Kim Jong-un is like black and white. Whatever there, jo hai wo hai. Na? It's like there. And there are a lot of people who are saying this and not doing that, but are Kim Jong-un.
Yeah, and they're saying that at least...
the devil you know.
He's saying now you know why he has nukes, because otherwise he'll be...
No, but I don't know if the nukes work. Huh? Every time he test fires, it doesn't go off and all that. You know, he test fires towards South Korea and then suddenly Taiwan
it's enough to scare
somebody
people.
hit us.
It's enough to scare people. No?
Yeah, but thoda science mein kuch galti hai. You know, you work out your technology. Don't start shooting people till you know what you're doing. It's like those Diwali crackers I used to buy in the 80s. You're walking home and it goes off in your hand.
Yeah.
You know, you remember the rubbish they used to make? Those small patakra bombs that we used to throw.
Yeah.
Those would go off all the time, man. And then they go to the next day.
And the worst was the snake wala.
Oh, I hated that one.
They're like, 700 AQI into your nose directly.
Nobody knew then in those days. Really. What have we done to this country?
You know, Kim Jong has a successor, like he has a daughter.
Yeah.
Uska bhi haircut aisa hi hai.
Huh. But isn't it like a favored haircut that you should try and look like him?
I mean, we don't know for sure.
How will we know?
How would you know? Nobody escapes.
Someone have the guts to go there and live there for 2 years and then come back and tell us what really happens in North Korea.
I met somebody who went to China for work, and then she said that everything was so manicured there. Like, no, you could say that every lush tree has been like manicured.
So, if you were to compare China with Kandivali East, what would be the comparison?
About 500 years apart. About
500.
500. Yeah, not more than
who's
that.
ahead?
Huh? Kandivali, obviously. No?
Obviously,
China.
China.
Because see,
Kandivali East, bhai.
Kandivali East is what China will look after nuclear holocaust.
Yes. After they lose again and again for many years.
Yeah.
Not once.
So we are ahead that way.
Of course. The beauty of Kandivali East, by now. 2026. Oh, MP official suspended about Ghanta. Oh, yeah, I saw this.
Yeah, it's
the beautiful moment.
beautiful, yeah.
And
Very
he went
honest.
on, he didn't stop.
Very honest.
He looked like a Mumbaikar, you know. What is he doing in Madhya Pradesh? This is our language, you know. Hey, Ghanta! The crudeness, the gesturing, the lack of remorse.
No, but you know what this news is? So, SDM, he issued some order for a protest that was happening related to this incident. And in that, he quoted the minister saying Ghanta. And he got fired, not the minister.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. The SDM got fired?
Yeah.
Like, it's done?
Yeah, out.
And after all this going viral, no action has been taken?
For the minister, nothing. And the
SDM remains fired?
The mayor, it seems, has stepped down, and a few other people in the municipality have been fired, and that's it.
But the man who's quoted the language,
Nothing has happened.
he's having a great
He's
time.
having poha right now.
Right now. Having his feet massaged.
Yes.
So democracy is safe then. Why are you worried? You were
Yeah.
worried. For a minute I was worried.
Yeah.
Then. Thank God you give me these beautiful stories. Yes, these stories of compassion and humanity.
This guy's son was once captured.
Who now are we talking about?
The minister, the Ghanta
Let's
minister.
call him Ghanta.
Yeah, Ghanta.
So that we don't make a mistake. Ghanta ka kya ho? Beta ka kya ho?
Ghanta का छोटा घंटा जो था. So he's on. I mean.
Right. I mean, senior, junior.
Yeah.
वो तो है.
So he's on camera hitting a municipal officer with a cricket bat.
But elbows pointing to cover.
It was a straight drive.
A straight.
Yeah.
The elbow is I like the high elbow. That shows you technique immediately. Yeah. But it's great. Then you can't join the IPL. You might as well beat up some municipality officer. What else you could do?
Might as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
which reminds us, no Bangladeshis will be playing the IPL this year. Now, having said that, there was only one Bangladeshi playing in the IPL this year.
yeah. Oh, you got a segue.
Oh, we have a segue.
Yeah, it's a segue.
Wow. Shah Rukh Khan should apologize to nation. Pathan was not that bad. What's the reason? Imam Umair Ahmed Ilyasi on KKR picking Bangladesh player. Firstly, I think Mustafizur, his best years are behind him. He swings the ball a little bit here and there. So I don't know if that was a great pick anyway.
9 crores.
9 crores. Okay, so you have the money and you decide. It's a lottery. But here's my question. Whatever the against Hindus that's happening in Bangladesh, now every time you do all this reciprocity,
Yeah, like democracy.
So when this happens, one more country stops playing in India, right?
Yeah.
So I'm saying at some point we'll be down to only India and Australia playing.
Yeah.
Because nobody wants to come to India.
But we
because
can have India ka 10 team. No,
No, I'm
India.
saying we can't host tournaments. You cannot have it both ways.
Yeah.
You just can't.
Yeah.
You can't say this, Pakistan this,
Hey,
Bangladesh
you can
that.
play with Taliban, no?
Ah,
They are our
Taliban-
closest friends. now.
Taliban came to Delhi, the foreign minister, I don't know
Yeah.
how he got that title, and he said all women leave the room on the
Yeah,
press conference. And they left the room.
Yeah.
Speaking as a servant of the Ghanta brigade, I'm just saying, putting it out there.
But do you see, they are our closest friends,
They
and
have
the
become.
neighbors is
because,
Taliban.
Because one enemy becomes your friend when you share the enemy. The Pakistan, Afghanistan being at its worst. So then India comes into the picture. Bro, it's simple politics, yeah. Look at poor Venezuela. We were very close to Venezuela. Now nobody's calling him. Where's even the EU and all? They all said all kinds of things, but nobody wants to. You can't do it.
They just said we are monitoring the situation.
Yeah.
It's-
But they're not going to do anything. It's the same thing with when Ukraine was attacked by Russia. Everybody said how bad. But no one's really going to do much.
Yeah.
You might send some money or send some arms at best. but that's
Nothing
it.
much.
Yeah.
But the Akhand America is shaping up now.
Superb.
No? So he'll take Mexico, he'll
Really.
take Greenland.
Which is the political party which will be good if we had to make an Indian political party go there, which will be perfectly in that setting do well.
BJP only.
Yeah. BJP only.
Yeah.
My God.
See, already they are like in bed with the Zionists.
Yeah.
I mean, not in bed, but at least they simp for them.
Huh.
The Israeli Zionist brigade. So and those already people have great sway in America. The only thing is that the white supremacists who are sort of in power right now, or at least fringe of right.
But can't we
they-
send enough
they-
fair
they-
members of the BJP?
They hate us because they're racist.
We can send 2-3 of these guys who are look European and all.
You're
that.
not fair enough for the
No, still not good enough.
for Ku Klux Klan. You're not
But,
fair
hey,
enough.
just failed the entrance exam.
And even the Israelis, I'm not sure about. Even they are racist only.
What if we start a new party called the Ghanta Party?
That
We
is-
send our best politicians from all the parties.
should do
together
that.
and send them off.
Yeah,
Led by that lovely guy whose name also we don't
and
know.
the symbol's already there.
Beta, the cricket bat. We'll change it. Cricket bat and Ghanta both.
So
One each hand.
the official number of people who are dead also is being denied. No, but they're saying 6 log mara hai, and whether the locals are saying 16 are dead. And also Gandhinagar.
So do we do the maths and take the average?
Yeah,
How do we do it? This is like the UP COVID scorecard. No?
yeah.
Everybody's saying so many dead. They said 3 dead. वो भी accident में.
No,
दो गिर गया.
even better was the stampede that happened during the Mela.
Oh, yes.
And they said कि वो मरा नहीं उसको
That
मोक्ष
till today nobody knows the figures.
Yeah.
Because people on ground are giving us some absurd figures, huge figures,
Yeah.
and then they've listed a name of people who are dead with pictures and they're like 9.
Yeah.
So what is the
And
truth?
they said even these 9 went to like they got moksha prapti.
Yeah. Or salvation.
Yeah, salvation.
So it was a lucky break.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm not saying that, he's saying that. Huh?
अरे मैं भी नहीं बोला वो
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलता.
एक बाबा ने बोला था
मैं बात नहीं. I don't want to talk on this show. I don't want to talk. When Puneet comes, I want to talk about Kandikli and trains. You haven't told us a train story today.
train story today.
Whole of 2025, you've been very sparse with your train stories.
Yeah, I mean I still come by train because there's no option at all.
Yeah.
But what did happen was I'll tell you a boat story instead.
So we have moved from train to boat. Sorry, sometimes comedy is tough. We can't pigeonhole it into one train. We moved it. Yeah.
So okay, I got a train story. Chalo.
We've cancelled the boat.
Sorry.
We couldn't get the tickets on the Roro.
Sorry,
Boss, there's too much market here in this.
No, because there is trauma every day. Sometimes you forget.
Yeah, fair.
This is just a few days back.
It's like being molested every day of your life.
Yeah.
By day 70, it's too much. Huh?
I'm coming back from the hostel trip, right? And just to give you context.
No, it's good.
Yeah, and the train terminates at Panvel instead of Kurla because fuck you. ऐसा. So,
Then you call Salman and he gives you a bike.
and it is late by 4 hours only before the last stop. So till Chiplun it is on time. Last stop is Panvel. उधर हग के पहुंचा है 4 घंटा. Including last stop is 5 kilometers away.
What is the look on the face of the traveler?
They are.
Is it defeated or is it acceptance?
No, they're confused. Should I? You can see Panvel almost. So it's tantalizingly close. And they're bargaining कि नहीं थोड़ा टाइम में सिग्नल मिलने वाला है. राजधानी जाएगा फिर मिलेगा. राजधानी गया. सेकंड ट्रेन गया. लोकल ट्रेन गया. हम लोग उधर ही खड़ा है. And now started doing because morning has happened now. तो कोई ब्रश करके आया, कोई हक के आया, कोई चाय पी रहा है. Because we thought ये सब घर पे करने वाला था, लेकिन नहीं अभी इधर ही करना पड़े. And they're calculating कि now 7 a.m., 8 a.m. then there'll be rush. Then I can't get a cab. So all of these calculations happening. और ट्रेन चल ही नहीं रहा बेंच. तो 4 hours late, almost.
This is the 1st of January.
Yeah, or 1st of Jan. I think not 3 hours late. But there was a train before the day prior, on 31st night, 4 hours late. What a great way to spend New Year's.
So in the train when the New Year changes.
Yeah, it's better than the hostel, but still.
Yeah, at least there's movement. You're sitting on the bunker. There's nothing.
So
Still
then
good.
I get down at Panvel, and now the easiest thing is to take the train. But 8:30 Panvel is like partition wala train is going from Amritsar. No, aisa. That kind of crowd is there. So I'm trying to calculate which.
On 1st January.
Yeah, it's a work.
Who's going? Where are they going?
They don't work in podcast, no. So
They're going to work?
Yeah.
It's like a regular day.
Yeah, it's a regular.
Bro, why?
No, this was the second, I think, 2nd of Jan. So, yeah, 2nd of Jan, and it's crowded, obviously, as fuck. So, I take one train that turns out to be lady special. So, again, you have to.
One sec, you deliberately took the lady special?
No, it just said CST, but once you go, they announce ki hey, ladies look ka hai, bathroom
You didn't
rakho.
look around, आजू-बाजू के.
No, there were few women. I thought first double already
You
women.
thought कि अपना New Year में luck तो change हो गया अभी.
Yeah,
I was with boys in hostel and now suddenly 80 women in a train.
yeah, I thought Panvel is feminist now. So okay.
Is it Panvel or Pan Unwell?
So then second train comes and now you're calculating should I take this one, that one, no, get down here, get down there. But the thing is with all my vast experience of poverty, I can at least get inside. No? So that works against me because if you can't get in, you're saved sometimes from the trauma.
Yeah.
But I can get in.
You know how to get into this cramped place.
Yeah, anyway. So I get in and I have a fucking huge backpack and one more bag with me. I get inside and you can't sit because no, just like Borivali, people come return. From Nerul onwards, they will come return so that they get to sit and then they go back like that. No, like in crowd.
So you can't, this is mafia. You can't touch
You can't sit. But there was no rack also for whatever
So
reason.
where's the bag?
Exactly. So then I put one bag
एक
down.
passenger के पास दे दो ना. Sir, Happy New Year.
The bag is as big as a passenger. No?
My God.
Because it's a 10-day trip.
Then give the
So I had to
passenger the bag.
literally like hold the bag in for an hour. But it was painful what I made. But there's one more family, old lady, 50 plus, 2 young daughters, one boy, like son, I guess, with suitcases. They got in. And people are begging them to get down कि मत करो आपको तकलीफ होगा. वो मान ही नहीं रहे. और फिर जो अंदर चढ़ा उसको शी scolding them. Hey, इधर नहीं ये मत करो वो मत करो. People don't have time
Where
for
do they
this.
stand?
Yeah, people are barely hanging on like by a fingertip. And
But
this,
Puneet brought up with such luxury. Did you not tell the old lady to sit in your seat?
I didn't have a fucking seat, no.
फिर भी वो imaginary seat पे बिठाओ ना. Ma'am, please take.
4 people, you could just taken a cab, no, split by 4, it would have been worth it. But for whatever reason, then
Panvel to Kandivali East is not a cheap journey here.
that's why I was in the train. No? Otherwise, I would have taken it. It's practically
The
half
moral of the story is don't leave your house on 31st.
Yeah.
I don't see anything
But
good
this is
coming
not
out of it.
31st thing. This is
Yeah, but 31st के spiral हो गया उसके बाद ना.
Yeah.
You went to Zostel. You're stuck with boys. You were having a protein shake. You fell asleep on the count of 3, missing the New Year. Then you land up in this damn train, and all you're doing is suffering. You're copulating with men and some really old ladies.
Copulating?
I mean, at
What
the end
the
of the day,
fuck?
everybody's just jumping on top of each other. It
Who
becomes
uses
like
that word?
वो तो होता है ना.
This
Why
is
do you
not-
think?
this is not Nat Geo,
How is
dude.
India 1.4 billion? People don't know they're having
No,
sex.
that-
People don't know they're having sex.
No, why Ashirwad they're happening? No, they're all praying for male child
Huh.
and they're getting something.
Huh.
From the Babas are giving all the children. Yeah.
So this is a Gitanjali male only. No? What is this?
What Gitanjali?
The train.
No, this train was called Matsyagandha, very popular train from Bangalore.
Matsagandha.
Matsyagandha.
Matsagandha.
Matsyagandha.
This is your Javed Akhtar moment. What?
Then they had to get on at Kurla, right, which is like the
And
worst.
everybody gets out.
Regardless.
They don't even know. I mean, they don't have a choice.
Yeah,
you don't want to get out.
whether you
sometimes you
want
have to get
to or
out.
So there are 2 ways to get done. One is that no, don't resist. No, just go or go at the end.
Yeah.
No, like these people had no clue what to do, so they got like literally bludgeoned out of the train. And it was like I felt bad, but it was more funny than feeling bad because क्या मारा है वो लोग को मारा या
The
नहीं?
old lady also got it.
Yeah.
You're pushed off.
Yeah, because Kurla at 9:30, dude, there is no old lady.
And there's no way they needed. That was not their stop. There's no way.
I don't know. No.
How sad.
With the fucking suitcases, no? And this is a pain for people who are commuting every day
No,
because
but see, it's great progress, no? For me, how India's progressed in the last 30 years. That you can get onto a train with suitcases. I mean, it's fantastic.
that is progress.
So fabulous, yeah. Couldn't happen 30 years ago.
And
Nobody
also,
would.
we have to be careful because there are women, so you have to be careful not to touch and everything. But it's so crowded that you can't avoid.
But why do you have to be careful? No, of course you should be careful. You should be careful. What the hell's wrong with this guy, yeah? Be very careful. Where is this? How do I get on this? From Kurla, which way I should go?
From Kurla, wherever the crowd takes you, you have to go.
अच्छा, God will guide you.
Yeah.
Just get out of Kurla और जो है वो है उसके बाद. You don't worry.
So then I get
And you
done.
promise me there are women on the train. Now, when I go, there will be only men. Old men returning from Haryana. That's what I'll get.
Yeah, and having tobacco also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
So then I get down at Vadala, again a huge mass of humanity gets down, but then now I know how to, like, basically, no resistance will give you pain.
Yeah.
So you just go with the flow. The crowd will
So
take
your
you.
resistance is no resistance.
Yeah.
So it's like being molested. You just have to keep quiet and then it ends fast. As you told me offline. I apologize. Generally shouldn't be this conversation, but he suffered a lot.
But whenever I come back to Mumbai from a long trip, as soon as I enter Mumbai, greater Mumbai area, it starts getting to you. Like, aa gaya chuti, aaja. It's like all your vacation is gone.
You
Like,
should never go. You went to New Zealand, no?
yeah.
You should never go there.
You?
Because it's the opposite of what you experience on your trains to Kurla.
Yeah.
And then suddenly go to a place where there's no people.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Your mind must be, you feel like you're mad, no? You
Yeah,
lost your
yeah,
mind.
and one sheep is there.
One sheep.
Yeah.
Or maybe 10 sheep also sometimes. But they won't come in your way.
Yeah.
They won't even, you'll be like, touch me. I'm getting off on Kurla. Okay, we have one more. Oh, we have three more. Okay.
We have to do this, no? Like, we'll rush through.
No, these are much more interesting stories, and there's a lot of pathos in what you're saying. There's a lot of pain. There's, people have to understand that it's not just funny.
Yeah.
Because after a whole year, you come back to the same problem
Yeah.
of getting in that damn compartment, and then destiny guides you. There's nothing you can do.
And not only Mumbai, like, this is greater Mumbai. This is fucking Panvel. This is
Why do they call it Greater Mumbai when you feel it's just like not greater?
No, we do it to mock them.
Yes. It's like in America, they call short guys tall and tall guys short.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
reverse. Yeah, that's why I became a comedian. Rats destroyed 200 kg of marijuana. Jharkhand police claim leaves caught stunned. Wow.
So the court then had to let the criminal go.
Yeah.
But the last line is missing from the article. Is that afterwards, all of them rolled together on the constitution ka paper and they smoked it up.
Wow.
And they passed it
I
around
would
the
like to
court.
call my lawyer here, Mr. Abad Ponda. If you're there, please appear for the defense. But so it was accepted, this story? That rats ate 200 kgs of
It was
marijuana.
accepted in a circle.
Yeah. Can you think of that guy in Bandra who's desperate for some weed?
Yeah.
Who thinks, 200 kilo rat ko mila. And he can't find his pusher.
But this is so convenient. No? See, this is how democracy works in India.
No, but this is more like the court has to take the
200 किलो का माल है सब लोग खाए ना मिल बैठ के clearly अपने कोई headline दिया be happy with this make a meme out of it.
But
That's what
technically,
has
should you produce a chua into the court and say, boss, this is the perpetrator? No, but I mean, there's a trail of evidence. So should you then, because then having had the marijuana, the behavior should have changed a little
of the
bit.
chuha. No, you're talking in
Yeah.
English suddenly.
Yeah. Well, what if he becomes vegetarian? I mean, weed makes you very calm. I mean,
Yeah.
not that I know. What do I know? But you were telling
Yeah,
me.
but a calm chuha talking in English suddenly.
The calm chua talking in English, wearing a coat,
Yeah, yeah.
smoking inside,
Hey, what if the chuha start talking like Arnab suddenly?
or the other way around. I would think other way around would be more fun.
Arnab has changed a little bit.
He went against the right
Yeah.
in for 5 minutes.
3 episodes. Now he's back
3
to...
episodes?
Yeah. Now he's back to bashing Rahul Gandhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Rahul Gandhi would continue even if he became a full communist. I don't think that would change.
Yeah.
That's a personal angst. That's like the Ashes. England versus Australia. That's like huge. Rahul versus Arnav. I'd pay for that. Imagine if we had MMA match. Rahul will kill him.
Rahul...
Arnav he's not a tough guy.
Yeah.
Not physically.
That's why he shouts, he's overcompensating.
Yeah. You're right. And then, imagine somebody charges at him, it'll be like, the nation will come after you. But let's do these MMA matches, no? People who don't like each other.
Yeah.
What money we could make here, Puneet. Forget all this comedy shit. We just get guys who don't like each other. Now you fight and we'll give you 50% purse.
Yeah.
Like that, and Anthony Joshua and that, what's that, Logan
Paul's
Paul's brother,
Yeah,
whatever his name
who
is.
got beat up massively.
Yeah, who got beat up. Exactly. So I'm saying we'll do those kind of matches which
Yeah.
are basically all hype.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, all hype.
Come on, give me some more pace. Rahul versus Arnav. Who else?
Shashi versus... we can have an intergender match, no?
Yeah.
Shashi versus Mamta.
Why will Shashi... Firstly, Mamta is another level of fighter.
So there has to be bad blood. Aisa.
Yeah, but Mamta is another level of fighter. I don't think anyone can take her on. So I would not... because that would be unfair fight. So she's off the hook.
Baba Ramdev, there's some wrestling.
Baba Ramdev versus Asaram Bapu.
Ah,
Would you watch that match?
yeah.
You'd watch that match.
Yeah.
And no holds barred. Huh? They can kick, punches, MMA, everything's allowed. Elbows,
we
everything.
can
allowed.
do that WWF, like tables, ladders, chairs,
Okay.
chair shot.
Okay. So you feel Asaram Bapu will be able to use the chair shot against Baba Ramdev?
No, he can levitate the chair, no, with his mind powers.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what does Baba Ramdev do in retaliation? The headstand.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we got
It's-
something here,
it's-
guys. We have a winner here. We just need to
Yeah.
market this properly.
Yeah. It won't come on Netflix, but Z5 can take it.
No, why Z5? I'll put it straight on the Hotstar.
Hotstar.
In between IPLs. What else is there to watch?
Is there any fit politician besides Rahul Gandhi? Or koi hai?
The younger ones, there must be someone. Scindia Jr. is not too bad.
Oh, these two guys did that Iron Man, no? One Tejasvi Surya and the guy who lost in Madurai. Who's that guy? The ex-BJP president of
But if he
Tamil
lost
Nadu.
in...
But he won Iron Man.
He won the Iron
One
Man.
meaning he completed it.
Oh.
What is his name, dude? The Tamil guy. Yeah, see. Yeah, Coimbatore, sorry, not Madurai. Yeah. Sorry. He lost, is okay.
Okay. So we're looking for fit Indian politicians to come on the show.
Yeah.
Because we have got this fantastic proposal, copyright is ours, of you fight each other if you don't like each other or pretend not to like each other. And will be great. Politics will be people get interested in politics again.
Yeah.
I think it's a fabulous thing. I mean, even Nitish Kumar fighting Akhilesh Yadav.
Yeah.
No doubt a bad combination,
Yeah.
but the angst and all is a lot. It'll be fun.
Yeah. Also, there's one match in wrestling which is called Money in the Bank.
Correct.
So you climb over the ladder and there's a suitcase there with
Yeah.
the contract.
Which will be a great motivator.
Yeah.
I like what you're thinking.
So you
I
can
like
have a BMC contract in the bag.
Yeah.
And so-
Licenses,
Yeah.
BMC contracts, all that is there available for you. Whoever reaches the bag.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I can see a lot of our politicians getting fitter overnight. This is good thinking. It's good thinking.
One more.
Yeah,
Let's
more.
try.
Happy New Year from Rajasthan. Revelers shun alcohol. Welcome 2026 with 1 lakh liters of milk.
See, this is worse than my hostel story.
No, this is worse than the 200 kg of marijuana.
Yeah.
You're being eaten by rats. 1 lakh liters of milk. So they partied all night with the milk.
Yeah. Neat that.
Yeah. With ice. Come on.
No, this was that kadai wala dude, like garam.
Or straight from the...
Yeah.
You lie down and go this way.
No, that is different therapy.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
The best part is that the person doing this was one institute, which is Asthma Institute.
No, but is this a whole group of people or just one person?
There's some youth, some students, something union, and an Asthma
So
Institute.
how much milk can you drink, Baba?
One glass, but they across the 200s.
But if I invite you to my party at 8 p.m. and I say 12 baje pe hum log ye karega, 10, 9, 8, 7, whatever,
Yeah.
and I give you 1 glass of milk, then 8:01, what do you do? You drink your glass of milk and then what do you do after that?
You have to sip slowly, no?
Huh. So I think your New Year was much more fruitful.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what you did, but you were alone at home and you spent much more time with one protein shake. Now, when you say protein shake, do you mean
Yeah, the one you shake with the. It's
Shreya?
called the protein shake, no?
walk out of the room? How dare you? I am not comfortable with this.
And the
I
best
have
part is
my
that they-
daughter is 18. I'm not comfortable. I will not endorse this. Hope you go to Kurla and know what when they make you into a protein shake, then we'll see. That's
But I
called
see
karma.
you doing it all the time.
Oh, this?
Huh? With the bottle, of course.
How do I shake it? Bro, what are you saying here? The young girl has just joined
So
us.
they're supposed to be healthy, okay? The milk thing.
Huh.
But they're doing it at 200 AQI.
Milk is actually, a lot of people have a digestive problem with milk.
Yeah.
In fact, alcohol is probably better suited to a lot of Indian people than milk.
Suited तो नहीं बोल सकते.
Suited तो बोल सकते हैं.
Indian men
Alcohol
can.
is in your medication. Benadryl में क्या है? For example.
As a solvent, it is there.
What's there? You sold it.
Yeah, it's
You sold it as a pharmacist. Now you're turning your back.
I sold a lot of other drugs also, but it is solvent there. You're not having it aisa.
Milk can be very dangerous for so many people who are lactose intolerant. My wife is lactose intolerant. I try to get her to drink milk all the time.
I mean, not to mention the ethical aspect of it about veganism and all.
Huh.
But you don't believe in that.
I mean, where are you reaching from democracy to...
But you're a dog
veganism?
lover, no?
I'm a dog lover. I'm giving up meat.
But only one species you like.
Huh.
Cows, whatever.
No, I like all animals. That's not fair. I like all animals, most females. Just be clear so he doesn't ask me this question again. I don't like males. I dislike males. Because males अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Don't bring a male next to me. Bring a male next to me, I don't like you. Immediately. So I'm like a guy who was outside Kurla station. Looking inside and saying, I don't like you.
I think
That's the best way to explain it.
I have to write a book on poop next time if I have to come here then.
Sir, this is a service to mankind. Making the environment a little friendlier for everyone. You have to have these open discussions so that the world becomes better. Manure will cure a lot of things. manure,
Manure.
and alcohol, and less milk. I think we're very clear here.
Manure will cure. Okay, that's a nice.
Okay, वो manure, bus, whatever you guys
ऐसा नहीं
liberals want, वो manure बोलो ना बैंक I don't care about words. Last one.
Last.
Delhi recorded cleanest air in 80. in 80 years. So here's what happens. For 13 seconds, when the air is slightly better in the whole year,
Yeah.
then they go to town. Absolutely go to town. This is like, have you seen news channels advertising?
Yeah.
So and so, best news channel in India. And then below the fine print says on Tuesday at 7:34, athletes with only one leg. It's madness, the fine print. So I don't. Do you believe all this?
Of course not, but I just the audacity, to put it out also.
Yeah.
It's like
That's true.
they're mocking you only.
It's like the early Hitler, I'll just push it out there,
Yeah.
and they'll buy it.
Yeah. And it's palpably worse this year, right?
Yeah.
And also, all the readings are like, they're doctored.
Yeah. Because you can get it on a weighing scale, you can get the reading anywhere, no?
That's also.
According to the chief minister, you
Yeah.
can just any instrument can weigh it,
No,
right?
she's quoting quantum mechanics, so
And why not?
Yeah.
Obviously, that's your
Also,
specialization.
she has a new system called AIQ.
Huh.
So that's different from AQI.
No, it's AI with a pause. AI Q.
AIQ.
Understand politics. Politics is a beautiful thing.
You want to hear my boat story?
I want to hear a good story.
We have time for the boat story.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I want you guys to attend Ranveer Adabadia's podcast. How professionally the people are on that podcast. Okay, I mean, nobody moves.
He has hired some ex-employees from here.
He has.
Yes.
And also they do yoga.
But he doesn't let them jerk off. That's the. It's there in the contract.
Yeah.
He asks everybody,
Correct,
including the
correct.
employees.
And you don't mention sex and families because that's not a
Oh no,
fair
yeah,
conversation.
because families don't come from sex.
No.
Yeah,
And you should not be watching a family have sex.
yeah, family.
And not again and again. एक दो बार तो ठीक है, but every time.
Yeah, at least in November you shouldn't. So,
At least up to December 31st. But then after that, it's all. I mean, what is there to do for people like you and me?
Panvel.
shake the protein.
So boat story.
Boat story. As we conclude this show with the boat story, ladies and gentlemen, come closer, auntie.
Yeah. So this is day 3 in Gokarna, right? And I've seen all the.
You're saying it like, fuck, you're in World War I. You're in the trenches. Day 17. 800 people dead. You're in bloody damn beachside resort.
But when it's Bollywood music playing
Ah.
at full volume, it feels like you're in the trenches.
Yeah, okay.
It's that bad. So I've seen everything now, right? There's not much else to see. So I thought, now what else to do today? So I said, okay, same beach, but today I went walking earlier, like through a trek. Today I'll go by boat.
Oh, that's the story. Okay.
Yeah, so the 31st, right? So also now one problem is if you're traveling alone, where do you keep your fucking stuff when you have to go take a dip in the waves?
Oh, you're jumping from the boat.
वो भी किया मैं, but पहले just wanted to just hit the waves, no? So take a dip in the.
If you got a boat, why are you going in the water?
अरे but waves are more fun, no? Boat takes you for a dip in the
You
middle
don't
of
want
the
to
ocean.
meet girls. You don't want to drink alcohol. But you want to hire a boat and then walk in the water.
Not walk. I'm not Jesus, dude. What do?
There is
what do you walk in?
There
the
is no
water?
proof.
What do you walk in?
According to the center, there is no proof.
Yeah. So. So I went to the boat guys. I said, I'll take you on this whatever sunset cruise, but you keep my stuff for half an hour.
कितना losers की बात है ना in the end. Sunset cruise, normally huge group of people and all that.
No,
One guy.
no, but
Hey, take my phone.
so and like no, it was windy that day, so they had like nice waves, just the right, like not too choppy. It was nice. So I take a dip, then I go into the boat for the cruise, right? And it fills up eventually. Like it was empty early, but all families and all came, and motorboat is full, about 20 people maybe. So we go to one beach, second beach, and they just show you, hey, wo beach है, यहाँ पे lighthouse है, बोला हाँ photo लिया, बस simple stuff. And then they said you can take a dip now in the ocean, the middle of the ocean, no, because otherwise you can't go out that far. And you have this thing vest on.
Jacket.
This, yeah. So nobody else was going. I said, fuck it, I'll do it. Although I can't swim, but I did it.
I hope this is the story. Huh?
Yeah. So I mean, whenever there's something which is a little bit like fear is there, I feel like going.
Like marriage.
Might get it over with.
Yeah.
Like,
So you jumped in?
yeah. So,
And then?
so even there, I could hear Bollywood music. In the middle of the fucking ocean, I'm sort of floating, right, and trying for at least 10 seconds of peace. But you know what song I can hear? Saath Samundar Par.
From where? From the beach?
From the fucking
It's
shore.
so loud.
Yeah, so loud.
डूबने के बाद? You put your head in.
I know you can't with the light, with the vest on it. Even if you try, you
So
can't.
it's like haunting you wherever you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then what happens is now it's done. The cruise is done. We're on the way back, right? So it's getting dark now, and the wind is picking up, like a lot. So it's getting a little choppier. We were having fun. Okay, nice ride. Then a little bit more choppier. Then like okay, na, मेरा speedboat, motorboat साथ में हो गया. Like no, there's one more ride where you can go on the jet ski. So it almost felt like that now. So then it started getting even more choppier. अब थोड़ा लोगों का गान फट रहा है कि are you gonna reach back or not? Is it part of the cruise?
The water comes into the boat
Yeah.
properly.
Yeah. So and then when you're taking a turn, no, तभी तो full like
Yeah, one side will go like that.
yeah. So now they're like, is this part of the cruise? Is this planned or not? Lower गान
They're
फट
charging
रहा
you more money. Boss, take.
है. Yeah, and they are now the guys are discussing how to reach the shore. Like it looks like they
Body
are,
language changes.
हाँ. तो ठीक है we'll try and go करना whatever. So I'm sitting आराम से, but other people are like they're scared palpably. Now as we're taking the last turn to go towards the shore, no, the lady in front of me for some reason decides to spit into the wind, which is at least 30 knots an hour, and I could see in slow motion the spit ricocheting and hitting me on the fucking mouth. Like,
So you made out with a girl. Bro, इतना खराब नहीं था वो New Year. It took him a long while. Water, ये वो jacket पहन के finally, and then a woman, I mean, saliva.
out of nowhere, dude, I could see it like swerving.
Did you return?
Even if I wanted to, I couldn't because the direction of the wind. But
Did you swallow?
this is worse than the poop book. But and I don't know if it was like she was seasick or it was like a
She
super.
vomited?
No. It's, no.
वो तो foreplay ही था.
इतना फिटिश भी नहीं है मेरे को. But like, or maybe she was scared. Or maybe it was the last wish to spit in the ocean. I don't know what it was. And I don't know what she was thinking, but it just fucking, and I couldn't get angry too. No, because it was just so funny that in India, even when you're dying, fucking something else can happen. Like,
Also, it's a long time this reverse chauvinism is that only men spit. It's so nice to hear this story. That, you went on a boat.
oh, there's empowerment in this now. What the fuck?
Females have, said enough is enough. Now we will spit. And you see what you can do about it.
Thankfully, the guy besides me, he had Bisleri ka pani, drinking water, and I.
But then the spit will go in, no? It's science, right? अगर saliva यहाँ पे है ना, तो ऐसा
So
पीके
do I
पीके-
wait for it to fucking like dry out?
I would think that's the better option. Wait till morning. सूरज आएगा. ठक.
And of course, he's apologizing profusely. But the thing is that it was funny.
You didn't say, अब मेरी बारी. I mean, this is a romantic story for me. This is like, what do you think? It's almost like that, what is that Kamala Hassan, Poonam, Dilon film? What is that film? एक दूजे के लिए. I get that एक दूजे के लिए feeling. You're on a boat, exotic thing
ये
in the
था क्या film में?
background.
ऐसा भी था क्या?
And then, yeah, no, it's a very, she goes through slow motion.
I-
You go like, you're just going, poo, it goes in, you exchange looks.
I know
Then
in-
you wink and you go, boom. And then that guy by mistake, it hits him. I mean, the element of comedy, Johnny Lever then walks
I
in.
know in
and
Heram there was a scene that he makes out with. Okay, that's a different film. Okay.
Let's not.
But there is one film in South India where like the couple has
I like the way you're saying South India, so you're completely like not clear.
yeah, one of the
We are buried in lack of research.
there's a coconut and then they're drinking yeah, straw.
Yeah.
So lady is drinking from the coconut and the guy has a straw in her mouth and he's
Wow. Film का नाम बेटा? I would like to watch this movie.
ऐसा ही है ना something like
एक नारियल, दो straw.
because kissing is not allowed in public, so this is the next best thing.
Very good.
And it's healthy also. Potassium is there.
But in a way, honestly, I think your New Year was pretty good.
Yeah.
This is a very
This is
exciting
the 31st
story.
evening.
Just one last thing. Was she pretty?
No. Would that have changed the story? Maybe.
Happy New Year. Next year. Next year. We'll see what happens.
Hey, I need to promote my fucking shows, dude.
I mean, we have the time.
Do we have the time? I don't know. They'll cut it out. Anyway,
they won't cut it out. Stop.
When is it coming out?
Friday.
This Friday?
The 10th. 9th. The 9th. The 9th. 10th I'm in Delhi.
Okay. No,
10th,
then
9th,
if it's
9th.
this weekend, then you can come for my show in Ahmedabad and Hyderabad.
Delhi? I'm in Delhi on 10th.
Then Delhi Feb में हमको.
मैं नहीं जाएगा.
Okay. So Ahmedabad, Hyderabad this week. I'm doing Kerala next
In
week.
2 days you're doing 3 cities.
No, 2 days, 2 cities. Ahmedabad,
And then Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Not exactly close, but anyway.
You'll take a flight.
Saturday, Sunday. Saturday,
Indigo
Sunday.
flight.
No boats.
Yeah, Indigo flight, even worse.
Oh.
And then Kerala next week.
Okay.
So I'm doing 3 cities in Kerala. I'll do.
So what are the dates? Give the dates now.
Yeah, so dates are 14, 15, 16th in Kerala. It's weekdays because no, there doesn't matter. Weekday, weekend, एक ही होता है. They're having a good life.
Okay.
So
Wow. I don't know whether you're pro or against Kerala now.
so no, full support. 100% literacy. Yes.
Malayali in the audience.
So I'm doing Trivandrum, Kottayam, and Kochi. 3 cities.
Okay.
And then I'm doing Pune and Mumbai. Mumbai is a big show on 26th, no, because we still get to observe that day.
Yeah.
Last few years.
Can you talk about alcohol on 26th?
Yeah.
That's allowed.
Yeah,
you
you
just
can
can't consume.
Yeah.
You have to be clear. We don't want trouble later.
Yeah.
Where's your show on 26th?
It's in Prabhadevi. It's a nice new auditorium called Pula Deshpande.
The famous Pula Deshpande Hall, which is very, very
which
famous.
is very fitting for a satire
Absolutely,
show.
for satire. And you're of the same level.
Yeah, by Kanduli standards. Like Pula was.
Both start with P.
Yeah.
Both start with P.
Pula was in Parle East. I
Yeah.
am Kanduli
Kanduli
East.
East. So there's a closeness.
Yes.
There's a closeness.
And then Pune show on 24th and an online show on 25th.
Wow, you work really hard, Baba.
Yeah,
Honestly.
in this economy, you have to.
I guess so.
Also, dollar at 90.
I'm only going on the 10th for one day. That's it.
What is
Nothing
it?
Before,
It's
nothing
a
after.
private show.
Bookaroo. It's a book festival.
Book festival.
Yeah. I pretend to read, yeah.
The poop book you can.
Whatever. Book's a book, yeah. don't be like that. All books are the same. It's like all children are God's children, no? Crazy. We're done? Yeah, we're done.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो.
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.